specific to number 29 Squadron Mosquito from the D-Day period. Rather, it represents a Hawker Typhoon of number 257 Squadron, one of the many RAF Hawker Typhoon units rated an outstanding fighter and ground attack aircraft in
see the water vapour spilling off the wings there as turbo pulls just about 9G in a very tight turn. Again, lots of these uncharacteristic whale drops, almost like a corkscrew. The aircraft literally corkscrewing across the sky. And of course he's wearing a full body G-suit, and that combined with pressure breathing allows him to withstand these manoeuvres, many of which are being conducted at 9G, meaning his body weighs some 9 times normal. Setting up now for a slow roll down the display line. One of the harder manoeuvres to fly. It's very easy to just drop the second half a little bit too quick, but Turbo doing an excellent job there. You can see the bright lights from the reheat on the rear of the aircraft. Just a little burst there as he repositions around for the next pass. He joined the RAF in 2010 as a direct entrant, but that wasn't his first flying experience. He flew in a Tiger Moth with classic wings at Duxford when he was 17, and that really cemented his wish to become a pilot. Well, this is a display with very many changes of pace, and so out of that barrel roll he's now setting up for the slow speed high alpha, high angle of attack pass, just 120 knots on this run, of course aided significantly by the fully digital fly-by-wire control system. And this is of course an aircraft that is on daily active service operations, whether maintaining quick reaction alert, the UK Air Defence capability from both Coningsby and RAF Lossiemouth, or around the world, notably in the Middle East. different NATO nations and also Icelandic air policing.
And indeed we have 6 currently out in Romania as well on the NATO air policing task.
Typhoons have been taking part in actions against the Houthi militia in Yemen, and they've been carrying out several joint strikes with American assets aimed at degrading the militia's capability to launch attacks on shipping in the Gulf of Aden and in the Red Sea.